Nabeka khuluma nesitjhaba izolo umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uzwakalise ukuthonyeka ngomthwalo othulele ihlelo lezepilo njengomani imbalobalo zabantu abatheleleka ngengogwana le zithwele ngamalanga nje. iGauteng iseselidzaba le-coronavirus enarheni le.
While Gauteng accounts for more than half of new infections are rapidly increasing in the Western Cape, in Limpopo, Northwest, KwaZulu-Natal and in Mpumalanga. Our health system countrywide remains under pressure. By next week, daily hospital admissions across the country are likely to reach the levels observed during the peak of the first two waves.
Bangaphezulu kwe-16,000 abantu abatheleleke ngengogwana le ema-irini ama-42 adlulileko kule narha. Kanti imfundo ezinesibalo esiphezulu iGauteng, iTjingalanga Kapa kunye neKwaZulu-Natal. Nanyana kunjalo isifunda seTlhagwini Kapa kube 1% kwaphela ethelelekileko. Njengomana abantu abathelelekileko enarheni le badlula ku-2 million nje, UMnyango wezePilo eGauteng uthi amaziko wepilo athwele nzima.
Both the public sector and the private sector have reached threshold in their bed capacity, especially in their high care units, and specifically the ICU beds are running full. At this point, we have a shortage of over 50 ICU beds or ventilated beds in both sectors.
Ukuqindeliswa kwamakhambi esigabeni sesine kungezelelwe godi ngamalanga ali-14 ukwenzela ukuphungula ukurhatsheka kwengogwana. Kodwa nabanye ababelani bezepilo basenokungathembisisi kuhle.
There's no point of extending the lockdown if it does not achieve what is needed. But certain restrictions may need to be continued or to remain in place so that we cap the rise of infection.
Iinsebenzi zepilo ezisebenza ngaphambili eGauteng nazo zingaphasi kwegandeleleko lengqondo kisibenge kwelinye ihlangothi nomzimba usavumi. Ama-yuniyoni wezepilo athi akulethwa imijovo eyaneleko.
We are very concerned about the well-being of nurses because there appears not to be a very clear plan at the moment. We need a clear plan from government to ensure that the vaccination program is rolled out effectively and seamlessly without any delays.
I-National Institute for Communicable Diseases ithi sebayi 64,289 abantu ababhubhe ngogwana le bekube nje. Ama-yuniyoni wezepilo athi sekuyafana nokuhlala uqindelisa amakhambi ngaphandle kwamahlelo azokusiza ukuphungula ukurhatsheka kwengogwana le.